So today I'm going to ask you what it is you want to be when you grow up. Johnny.
I want to be a fireman, a chef, a rock star, a lawyer, a doctor, a teacher. I want to be an air serv technician.
Oh, Billy, not everyone can be an air serv technician. It takes an incredible amount of skill and courtesy. Maybe you should try being a neuroscientist instead. Billy?
For air conditioning and heating maintenance, repair and replacements by highly skilled professionals, call the best there is. AirServe, your comfort company.